going to show you some more reasons on how you should use your infant seat.
Why do we need to keep it that snug? People often ask us that. What happens again in a crash is there are forces involved that are very, very strong forces. If that harness is adjusted properly in that crash, you can see there's very little movement of that baby, and mostly the baby's head and neck. Okay. I'm really only able to simulate by doing that maybe a half a mile an hour crash. The biggest problem we have is with grandparents who don't like to snug it in that tight. They'll say, oh, that's good, you know, that's good. Watch the difference now in the movement of the head and the neck. You can see that would be neck damage, shoulder damage. That could be very, very bad. So make sure that when you snug it, it's snug. They say snug as a mom's hug, and that you can't pinch harness at the shoulders. In conclusion,
just to remember the 4 steps: crack of the crack, snug harness straps, retainer clip and armpit, and then your seat goes in at a 45-degree angle. Oh, and that your harness straps are always in a rear-facing installation, are always at the shoulders or going below.